Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us see the development of .NET Framework. So how it started, how it became. So the development of .NET Framework has been started in late 90s, originally under the name NGWS, Next Generation Windows Services. Okay. So later on, it is renamed as a .NET. So to develop the framework, a set of specifications has been prepared known as the CLI specifications, Common Language Infrastructure Specifications. Okay, so let us see what are those specifications. So CLI specifications are open specifications that are standardized under ISO, International Standards of Organization, and ISO and ECMA. ECMA is nothing but European Computer Manufacturers Association. The CLI specifications covers four major things under it. Okay, like first one is a common language specification. Second one is a common type system and base class libraries and virtual execution system. Let us see these four in detail. First one is the common language specification. As we have already discussed in our earlier videos, .NET has many programming languages like VB.NET, C#.NET, J#, F#, like that. .NET has many programming languages. Okay, so when we compile all these programming languages, it will generate common language, that is CAL code. Okay, common code. So a set of base rules all the .NET languages has to adopt to interoperate with each other. So once you build a .NET programming language code, it will generate the CAL code, and you can use that CAL code in other programming language. That's nothing but language interoperability. So CLS is one of the pillar for interoperability. You will get to know that in future videos. Don't worry. Next one is a CTS, Common Type System. According to the all .NET programming languages, Common Type System is nothing but data types in all programming languages of .NET will have same size. Okay, common type size. So in C# programming language, suppose integer has 4 bytes, and in VB integer has 4 bytes. Okay, in F# also integer will have 4 bytes. So that's why we can able to generate a common CAL code for all programming languages. So according to this, all .NET languages should adopt the same data type structure. Similar types should have the same size in all the languages. Because each .NET language is derived from an existing language, type names will be different from language to language, but similar types will always have the same data size, same size. Okay. Here you can see any type that is used in any language after compilation gets converted into intermediate language code. Okay, where all types of languages are same. So you can see VB.NET has integer, single, boolean. At the same time, C#.NET has integer, float, and bool. So you can see the names are different from language to language, but the size is same. In VB.NET, integer size is 4 bytes. In C#.NET, integer size is 4 bytes. So when you compile the code from VB.NET or C#.NET, ultimately it will generate the CAL code. In CAL code, you can see the integer name is int32. Here also int32, single, single, boolean, boolean. So names could be different in programming languages, but size is same. That's why it is able to generate same CAL code. In CAL code, the data types names also same along with the sizes. Okay, that's the common type system. As every type is getting converted into IL type after compilation, If it is consumed from any language, IL types will be present to that language in its understandable format only. Maybe here you can see in VB programming language, integer will be written as full integer, but in C sharp, it will be written as int, okay, short form. So when you compile C sharp programming language and convert that into CAL code, once if you want to use this library in VB.NET, so this particular code from C sharp.NET will be displayed in VB syntax only. That is how. So if we present that in VB syntax only, then only VB developers will understand that, because they know only VB syntax, right? Not C sharp syntax. So that is called interoperability, language interoperability. And BCL. So base class libraries, we have already discussed. Base class libraries are predefined, precompiled code available as the libraries in .NET. So in Java, we can call it as a packages. In C language, we can call it as a header files. Predefined or precompiled code, which is serving common requirements of the developers or providing the basic infrastructure for building a application. Here you can see base class libraries can be consumed in C sharp.NET or VB.NET or any .NET programming language. So in which language BCL would be written in? So BCL would be written in any .NET programming language, but still we can consume that in C sharp, VB or any .NET language. When we are consuming those BCL libraries in C sharp, we can see that in C sharp syntax. If we are consuming that in VB programming language, we can see that in VB syntax. So that's nothing but the interoperability, language interoperability in .NET. Okay. So this base class libraries is the best example for language interoperability in .NET. So final one, VES, Virtual Execution System, is nothing but CLR. So all the high level .NET languages after compilation will generate the same type of output known as CAL code. We have already discussed this, which can be executed on any machine provided as a OS specific virtual execution is available. So if you want to execute CAL code in any machine, we need this CLR, nothing but VES. This VES will convert CAL code into machine code, then it will execute that. So the job of VES is to convert CAL code to machine code, and it will execute that on top of that machine. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.